The ice looked solid, but it wasn't. This dog stepped onto the frozen pond, and the surface cracked beneath him. He plunged into freezing water. He tried to climb out, but the ice kept breaking. Rescuers rushed in. Careful, slow, precise. One wrong move, and they could fall through too. The dog slipped again. Time was running out. Finally, a rescuer reached him, pulled him up, out of the freezing water, cold, shaking, but alive. Sometimes survival comes down to someone refusing to give up.